$1,882. How to make money from GIFs. Here are two options for you to choose from. The first one is for you to get your laptop or your mobile device and follow the steps that I'm about to show you. When you do that, I can assure you of a $369 income, all done passively. You only need to set it up once, and you can just leave it and do whatever you want to do. The next option is to do the complete opposite and don't follow the steps on this video, and you will not have a passive income stream. The choice is yours. If you choose the first option, you can get paid a lot of money and have some extra time for yourself, your friends, and your family. If you think that's unrealistic, just check out my earnings from doing this strategy. I've only been doing this for a few days, and I was always able to make this amount of money. Just imagine if you try to do this for 1 month, the earning potential with this brand new strategy is unlimited. The best thing about this strategy, which I'm about to show you, is that you can do this from anywhere in the world and you don't need to invest anything to do it. So why don't you comment down below where you're from, and I'll go over them and make more videos that are available for everyone around the world. About a year ago, Olivia was seated where you are right now on the other side of that screen. No skill, no job, no degree, just a phone in her hand, and then she realized that was all she needed. Fast forward to today, I'm going to be teaching you just how you too can easily make money online like Olivia, or should I say, make money Olivia. Make sure to subscribe to this channel and don't forget to click on the notification bell so you could be the very first to watch every new update I have for you on how to make money online. It's one thing to learn how to earn money online and another to start taking action. Go ahead and leave a like on this video so you can always come back to rewatch some of my exact steps when you begin your journey. You can also leave a comment down below on any concerns, questions, and opinions about the video. Now, let's make some money. In this video, I'll show you how to make money from GIFs. I think it is by far the easiest way to make money online, and you don't need to have complex tech skills in order to do this. For those of you who aren't familiar on what a GIF is, GIF is short for graphical interchange format. It is a lossless format for image files that support both animated and static images. If you want to see what a GIF looks like, you can simply search for them in Google Images, and then you'll be able to see the results. As you can see, GIFs are somehow similar to videos, but just really short ones. They don't contain any audio or music. This right here is a GIF, and this one as well. I think you've seen these online, especially on Facebook comments, and we'll be using these GIFs to make a passive income online. The next thing to do is go to this website called GIPHY.com. This is a website where a lot of people come to upload and download GIFs. As you can see, they have various GIFs available. They have GIFs for reactions, entertainment, sports, stickers, and artists. When you scroll down their page, you'll be able to see all the available GIFs that they already have. You can see some trending GIFs right here, and if you want to view the GIF, you can simply click on it. You'll also be able to see some similar GIFs that you can collect. I'll show you later on how to make money from GIFs and turn it into a passive income. So I highly recommend that you watch this video all the way until the end so that you'll know all the steps. I'll also share with you some exclusive bonus tips that will help you earn more money. Not a lot of people will reveal these tips to you because not everyone knows about it, and you'll only see these tips on my videos. So you should really watch this video all the way through. Now the next thing you need to do is go to the search box to look for followers count, and then hit the search icon. You'll be redirected to this page where you can see and choose various GIFs which are related to followers count. When you scroll to the page, you can see that they have a lot of GIFs, like literally hundreds of GIFs that you can choose from. This one looks nice and clean. This one looks great, and I'd show you just exactly how to make money from GIFs like this. If you're not satisfied with these results, you can simply head over to Google Image, search, and look for followers count. It doesn't really matter which one you select, but for me, I would choose something which looks nice and clean because it would attract a lot of people later on. When you've chosen a GIF that you like, all you need to do is download that to your device. If you're using a laptop or a computer, you need to save it to your downloads. And if you're using a mobile phone, you can also download it on your media storage. So I will choose this GIF and save it on my computer. Again, you can choose whichever you want. You can even choose more than one. It's all up to you. So you might be wondering, what are we going to do with these GIFs? Or how will we make money from GIFs? Stick around and I'll show you a very, very easy way to do so. Just take a look at my earnings from doing this strategy. As you can see here, all my payments are going directly into my PayPal account. If you don't have a PayPal account, you can simply sign up on their website for free. You can search how to do that on Google or watch one of my past videos to follow my process of creating one. If you're enjoying the video so far, please hit the like button below and subscribe to stay updated on new videos. Let's go on. Now that you have your GIF saved, the next thing I want you to do is go to this website called e-clincher.com. This is a social media management website which helps social media managers with publishing and scheduling posts. Their goal is to simplify social media marketing while providing a complete and user-friendly solution to engage, monitor, and grow an audience on multiple social networks. This website is trusted by a lot of brands, agencies, and franchises. As you can see, they are trusted by some of the world's biggest brands. That means that they are 100% legit. Just below that, you can also see some of their customer testimonials and some of the awards that they've received. One of the best things about this website is that it can be integrated with some of the biggest social media platforms like Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, Pinterest, LinkedIn, Google My Business, YouTube, TikTok, and so many more. You don't need to worry because you won't be doing social media management in order to earn money from e-clincher. That's a lot of work to do, and it requires a lot of time. What we'll do on this website to earn money is become a partner or an affiliate. For those of you who don't know, there's actually a lot of money that you can make from doing affiliate marketing, and you don't need to do a lot of things. You can simply set it up once and then wait for your earnings to come. To become an affiliate, all you need to do is scroll down to the bottom of the page and then look for the partner/affiliate button, then click on it. After you click it, you'll be redirected to this page where you can see more details about their affiliate program. Scrolling down below, you can see how much they'll pay for referral commissions. As you can see here, you can earn as much as $100 per commission to sign up as an affiliate. You need to click on this blue button right here, and then you'll come over to this page where you'll need to fill out some information on these boxes. Simply provide the needed details. And then when you press this drop-down menu, you can see that they accept everyone from around the world. This means that it works worldwide. After you fill out your details, click this box to agree to their terms and conditions, and then confirm you're not a robot. Finally, click on the Sign Up button. Once you have an account on e-clincher, you can now start to do affiliate marketing. It's been a while since we mentioned just how to make money from GIFs we downloaded, but stay with me, we'd get to that soon enough. Moving on to the next step, you need to come over to this website, which is IMGUR.com. And what you need to do is sign up for a free account. To do that, simply click on this screen button on top and provide the needed information. You can also register using your Facebook, Twitter, Apple account, Google, or Yahoo account. It's all up to you. Once you have an account on IMGUR, what you need to do is click on this New Post button, and then you'll be redirected to this page where you can upload the GIF that you've just downloaded. You can either drag and drop it onto this box or choose from your downloads. After doing that, you'll come over to this page where you need to write something about the GIF. You need to write something which will catch people's attention, just like this. And then don't forget to put in your affiliate link from e-clincher on the description box. In that way, when people see your GIF, they'll also see your affiliate link. And when they click on it, you will earn money. When you are done with all of that, click on this to Community button so that your GIF will be seen by a lot of people. You can do this again and again. Simply choose a GIF, save it, and then come over to IMGUR and upload it with your affiliate link. And that's it. How to make money from GIFs. Make sure to subscribe to the channel and click on the notification bell, smash the like button, and most importantly, make money. Olivia, I love you.